Stop. If you're thinking about buying CopyCat AI, there's something you need to know first. This isn't just another AI writer. It's a cloning engine that can literally steal the winning formula from any proven campaign and rebuild it around your product in seconds. CopyCat AI is being called the world's first paste a winner, get a clone AI engine. Instead of starting from scratch, it lets you paste a link to any winning ad, sales page or offer, and instantly rebuilds it for your business. And before I dive deeper, I want you to know, if you grab CopyCat AI through my link today, I'm giving you exclusive bonuses worth $599, free. Stick around, I'll reveal them later. So, let's get started. What is CopyCat AI? It's a breakthrough AI tool that clones ads, pages and offers in 3 clicks. No copywriter, no designer, no guesswork. Just paste a link, click and watch it rebuild a proven campaign around your product. Benefits: why people are interested. Clone any winning ad in seconds. Turn competitor sales pages into your own. Copy entire offer stacks, bonuses, pricing, positioning. Know exactly why a campaign converts before you copy it. Works across niches: health, e-com, SaaS, coaching, crypto and more. Inside CopyCat AI you're getting ad cloning, decode hooks and scripts instantly. Page cloning, rebuild full sales pages section by section. Offer cloning, steal the psychology behind irresistible offers. Multi-format support, video scripts, image ads, long-form pages. Commercial license, clone campaigns for clients and keep 100% profit. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros: generates campaigns fast by cloning proven winners. All-in-one dashboard, no juggling multiple tools. Commercial license, agencies and freelancers can use it for clients. One-time pricing, avoids recurring monthly fees. Beginner-friendly, simple paste, analyze and generate workflow. Cons: not a magic button. Doesn't guarantee traffic or sales, strategy still matters. Still needs testing, human judgment and optimization remain essential. Results: what to expect. Beta testers reported making $535.75 daily on autopilot. Expect faster launches, higher conversions, and campaigns modeled on proven winners, not guesses. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab CopyCat AI through the link below. Bonus 1. Funnel Swipe Vault. Value: $299. My private library of high-converting funnels you can instantly plug into CopyCat AI. Bonus 2. Ad Angle Masterclass. Value: $300. Learn the psychology behind hooks and angles so you can maximize every clone. Total bonus value: $599, yours free when you grab CopyCat AI today. So, is CopyCat AI worth it? If you want to save time and build campaigns faster by cloning proven winners instead of starting from scratch, then yes, CopyCat AI is definitely worth considering. So, click the link below, use coupon early10 for an extra 10% off and grab CopyCat AI today before the price rises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.